So I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to enable dictation on your Apple Watch. Now, dictation basically is what allows speech to text, where you can type with your voice and do stuff like that. So to enable dictation on your Apple Watch, press the crown once to go to the main menu and then look for settings. The main settings page looks like this. So you want to scroll a little until you see general, tap on that. And then under general, you can scroll to dictation, tap on that. And then you should see the dictation option. Tap on that toggle button and then confirm by tapping on enable dictation once again. And once that button is turned on, it means dictation is now enabled. So now you can go into any app, maybe even the text messages app, for instance, and you're trying to type a text message. You can now tap on the microphone icon and it's gonna listen to everything you say and type for you. That is dictation on Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.